Hello everybody, welcome back again to my channel. So this is the updated version of the Church CRM I posted earlier on. Okay, that was about a month or two ago. Okay, so this is the updated version of it. Okay, so I have been able to add more features to it, making it very rich to enable you manage your church without having any issue. Okay, so I'll walk you through for you to get it well and understanding so that you can use it without having any issue. Okay, so firstly, when you come, just sign up. Okay, go to login. So this is a login page. So I actually name the CRM Cornerstone. So Cornerstone is the name for the CRM. Okay, so you get to the sign up page, create account. Okay, Jesus is King. Okay, so that's the name of the church, and then choose a subdomain. So let me use Jesus is King as a subdomain. Okay, Jesus is King. Okay, so you can actually add a domain to it. Yes, you can add a domain. So you make sure that wherever you get your domain, you configure the domain, the DNS of the domain with the IP address. Okay, so when configure it, you actually be able to add your domain here and then access the CRM using your domain. Okay, that's where maybe you don't want to use the subdomain. Okay, but it's a must to use to enter a subdomain from the beginning. Okay, so now just need to enter my phone number. Okay, country Ghana, time zone Accra, next. Okay, so first name, second name, and then email address. Okay, so let me use this email address. Then I have to enter password, my password, and then next. So on this page, you see it will show you a summary of what you've entered: your church name, uh, the name you use in registration, and then your email address. Okay, you see it says free trial starter plan. Forget about the free trial. Okay, you can use it without having any issue. Okay, just forget about the free trial issue. When it expires, it will not cut you off, it will still continue, you can still use it. Okay, I've made it very open for everybody to use, every church to use. Okay, then you just register it. Okay, so when it is success, you surely have to receive a mail. Okay, so see, this is the email. This is the email, a welcome email. So in the welcome email, it tells you you have access to a dashboard, your church name, subdomain, admin, okay, and everything here. You can reach us. You can reach us here in case you have any issue. If in case you have any issue concerning the CRM, just get in touch, and I'll respond to you no matter the issue. Okay, as long as it contains the CRM, just get to me. Okay, so this subdomain, anytime you want to log in, you have to use the subdomain to log in. If you log in directly on the page here, it will redirect you to your subdomain and then ask you to log in again. Okay, so for instance, let's say this is the main domain. Okay, I want to log in. So let me use, okay, the email address I use and the password. Okay, when I log in, it will direct me back to the subdomain and ask me to log in again. So logged in. Okay, when you can see clearly, it has changed. Now it has taken me to my subdomain. So when you sign up and you receive the mail, you can just take the subdomain, copy the subdomain, paste it into your web browser address, and then go to the subdomain and then log in from there. Or you can just open cornerstone.com and then log in. But when you want to log in, it will redirect you back to your subdomain for you to log in again. That will be a double login. Okay, so anyone you want to do at all, yes, anyone. Maybe your subdomain is very long, you can't really remember it. So just come cornerstone.com, log in, and to redirect it to your subdomain. Then you can log in from there again. Okay, so now let's log in again. Let's log in again. Okay, so now this is our beautiful dashboard. Our very beautiful dashboard. Okay. Our very, very beautiful dashboard. So on the menu side, we have members, where you can add members and manage your members. Okay, you can add them here and then manage them. Delete them, block them, unblock them, create password for them. Everything is here. So example, when you create a member, let's say you want to create a member. Okay. Let's say his name is Peter. Sure. Rock. Peter the Rock. Date of birth. We are just selecting or inputting anything at all, increasing the member. Mail. Okay, mail, let me say Peter. Sorry, Peter at gmail.com. Marital status single. Date of baptism. Any date at all. Okay. Just say church premises. Your home address. Let's see. Tema. Accra. Okay, so dates when you join the church. Okay. So member status. Either the person is a visitor, a new soul, or a member. Okay. Then it goes about the person, educational background, work. Okay, educational background, work experience. So then you save it. Okay. Okay, so now if you want to set a password for the person, okay, when you want to set a password for the person, just come to edit the person, and then see the password field, and just put in password for the person or the member. Okay, so that's password. Then just update it. Most of the fields are not required. Okay, so sometimes if you don't have access to the full details of the person, you can just use the name email, and then you save it, and phone number, and you can save it, and then there you go. So these are groups. So group, you can add group, the kind of various groups in the church. Okay, let's say men fellowship. Yeah, let's say men fellowship. Women fellowship. Mhm. And also can add departments. So let's say the music, music department, protocol, prayer. Okay, then the next, events, the various events in the church. Oh, okay, small error, I'll fix that, no problem. Okay, so attendance. Okay, so attendance, you can take records of the attendance. Okay, when you take it, okay, it's present, absent, or late. Okay, you can take attendance. Donations, you can view records of donations. Okay, but forgetting one thing, before you start doing anything at all, you need to calm down to settings. Set your currency. Set your currency. Jesus is king. Set your currency. Okay, so my country and my currency. Accra. Okay, so let's say this this is the portal for the members. Okay, where the members will log in. So here you can put in anything you want to put in. Okay, whatever information you want the members to see on their login page. Okay, so let's say example, you can change your logo here. Okay, you can change the logo here, the color. So let's say, let me change the color to different color. Okay, and then you enable member login. Okay, and then member registration, since you don't want members to register on their own. Okay, so you register them yourself. And then here you can add other columns. Okay, other fields which are not on the member page. You can add other forms to it. Okay, other input fields to it. So let me save, and then we'll go and check the member page and come back and see what's going on there. So now I want us to go to the member page. Okay, so first let's copy with the subdomain. Make sure it's on a different browser. Yeah, make sure it's on a different browser. Then let's open Firefox. enter slash member slash login. Okay, so any changes you do here, okay, so let's see, any changes you do here, the login page customization and the member portal customization, it will affect the member page. Let's just change the color. Let's take, okay, any color to, and then Jesus is king. Okay, now let's save it and get to the member page and refresh, and let's see the results. Wow, so these are the results. So now I want us to go into member page and then see what's available. Okay, but there's one thing. Okay, let's search for a logo. I want us to update the logo here. Okay, let's search for any church logo. Okay, and this one will be a bit okay. Okay, so let's come down here and change the church logo. Church logo, and save it. Success. Then let's go and refresh here. Okay, I'll check the issue and fix it, but the logo needs to work. Okay, so right after the video I'll fix that so that you don't have any issue when you log in, or when you are trying to upload a logo, you don't have any issues. So I'll fix that right away. Okay, so the member we created, okay, the member we created, let's log into members portal and see. So this is Peter. We are logging into Peter's member portal and see what we have. Peter. So as I set the password earlier on, okay, so it has logged in. Cool. So we have profile, contribution. Okay, so this total contribution is leaking. Okay, so I'll fix that too. Don't worry. Before you sign up, then it is fixed, so don't worry. And then online giving. Okay, so you can give online. Okay, donation, contribution. So the contribution needs to be set in your account first. Okay, so you need to set up the contribution here. Okay, you need to set it up here, the type of contribution. Set it up here, then you can be able to access it in the portal. Okay, so the type of contribution will come, and then select amount, just write any description here, then make when So when the contribution is recurring, just select recurring, or just one time, just give. Okay. And then attendance. It shows you all your record of attendance of the events or church services. Okay. Calendar. So this is a calendar. It shows all upcoming events. Okay. So this is an event. Okay. I have to check of that too. So it shows everything. And then your media. So this page, okay, whenever you upload any document here, okay, your library, okay, you upload any document here. So you first have to create a category for the document. Okay. First have to create a category for the document. Okay, so maybe the kind of category going for the documents. Okay, maybe PDF files, and so maybe example, we are saying sermon. Say sermons. Then books. So when you go to documents, upload documents, so you can select the kind of documents you want to upload. If it is PDF, you leave it, you just select documents or audio. Video, your videos must be hosted on YouTube. Okay, must be hosted on YouTube because space, because of space, and then we don't want to be having any space issues. So you can only host your documents, okay, but not videos. So you host the videos externally and then drop the video link here. Okay, so you select the category of the books or the video or the audio, then members, then you give access to those you want them to access it, either only members or only admins. Then just upload. Okay, so now so in case you upload, when you are done uploading, then member can log in and see every document you've uploaded. See the category is showing. Yes, category is showing. And then also, let's see the next menu we have. Okay, we have donations. So the donation works just like contribution. Okay, but more times the contribution is used for fundraising, giving funds towards a project in the church. Yeah. So you want to record a donation. Maybe you are donating towards something. Come record a donation. Select the member, enter amount, change the currency, and then type of donation, tithe offering. Just put in the details. Okay, and then you save it. Then accounting, very broad. It gives you all the accounting vibe you need. Okay, all the accounting details you need in your church. You can add transaction, manage accounts, financial reports, build your budget. Okay, build your budget, follow ups. So here, okay, one issue two. I'll fix this one too. Okay, don't worry. So these are the subscriptions. Before it to be online, it will be off. So don't worry. Campaign. Can view campaign. Can send out messages. You can send out messages. So here, you select the type of message you want to send, either email, SMS, or both. Okay, then send to all members. You can send to all your members, or you select specific groups. Then you can send to, or you can send to departments that you want to send to. Okay, or individual members. Okay, you can send to, and then you create a campaign, send a message. Okay, so this is a message system. So in case you have any issue, you can write support, and then you create a ticket. Send me, I'll receive it, I'll respond to you as fast as I can, and then have your issue solved. And then you are gone. Yeah. Calendar. You view the calendar and have all your events, upcoming events, displaying on the calendar. Have all your upcoming events here. Have all your upcoming events. So you can create your event type, service, add description, event images, whether it's a paid event or not. You can just pay and then enter the price, amount, enable family tickets. That means maybe you want one ticket to serve about a whole family. Yeah. Maybe the whole family will just pay for one ticket price. Then you are there, just enable it. Then registration required. Okay, so you are allowed guest registration, or you just want only your members to register. Okay, then maximum amount of attendees. You can enter maybe 1,000 for the event, and the registration deadline for the registration. Okay, you enter location, the time for the event. If it is all day event, let's start from the start dates, and then the end date. Okay, so let's say church. Auditorium. Okay, let's just use church premises. Sorry. Okay, in the schedule, is it all day, public or not public? Recurring is daily, it's daily. Okay, weekly or no recurring. So maybe it's a so let's say it's a daily program. Okay, it's a daily program. Just select daily. Enable check-in. Okay, so you give check-in time, check-in dates. Okay, then here just put in any instruction you want the members. Okay, the members to adhere. So during their registration, either to take their phone numbers, email address, emergency contacts, the maximum. Okay, maximum. So this is where I was talking about enable family tickets. That means family amount of people you want them to be on the family ticket. 5, 6, for any amount you want. Okay, so here you add Google Calendar and then Outlook. They create your events. Then user management. So management. Here you can change other users to be admins, and they will also log in. Okay, they can also log in into the main portal. So so you can change their rules. So their rules are not changed here, but the rules are changed when you come to the member, edits their profile, and then basic member rule, basic. So staff or admin. Yes, so you can change their role there. Okay, so come to settings. You can set your payments providers which you want your members to maybe make donation or pay their tithes. Okay, or make any online contribution. Okay, so I've been able to add some payment providers here. Okay, you have Stripe, PayPal, Paystax, Flutterwave, eBanks, BBV or EasyPay, Pay Brazil, and SunRates. Okay, so that those in Europe can have EasyPay or eBanks for payments. Those in America can get Stripe, PayPal. Africa can use Paystax and Flutterwave. South America can use Back Brazil and then SunRates. And then even Asia, those in Asia can still use the EasyPay and the eBanks. Yeah. So I've tried to make sure that. So when you want Paystax or you want Flutterwave, just click configuration, and then you put in, you select your country. Okay, currency, you put in your keys, then select live. Same applies to Paystax. Do the same thing. Production, you put in your public keys and secret key. Okay, all the payment gateways, that's exactly how you do them. Okay, I made sure I tested them and they were all working. Okay, they were all working. Okay, so that's the payment gateway settings. And then email configurations. In case you want to send out the campaign mails, okay, or in case a member makes a donation and then they have to receive mail, just have to set it here. Okay, just have to set it. So we have SNTP, SendMail, Mailgun, Amazon. So I often use the Mailgun. Yes, I use the Mailgun because it's not all that expensive. It's cool. And then SMS configuration. So with the SMS configuration, select your providers. Have Twilio, Nexmo, Locatex, and Clicatel. So just select them, and then you provide your API keys, phone numbers, and then that's all. Then just click enable. Then you are good to go. When you are done, just test it if it's working. then you are good to go. Okay, so this country was moved, the country here was moved to this side. So you just have to set it here and you are good to go. Okay, so one wonderful thing is I've been able to make it in all languages. Not all language, but most of the widely speaking or spoken languages. Okay, and then it has a dark mode, so you can select okay, so let's say I want to change my language. Okay, I was using English. Now I want to change it to Dutch or Spanish. Okay, let's go to Dutch first and see. Wow, everything has been changed to Dutch. Everything has been changed to Dutch. Okay, the same thing to when I want to change it to other language too. So when you change the language, that's all. When you sign out and you come back in, the language still changes. Okay, the language still changes. Wow, I could see that some of the languages on the dashboard are still there, but don't worry, I'll solve all that for you. So wherever you are in the world, you are not left out. You can still access it and use it. Okay, wherever you are, all the languages, at least I'll be able to manage to like, to implement some. But I'll keep working on it and make sure you have a perfect CRM for your church. Okay, don't worry about this trial. You can still use it. You can still use it. You can still use it. You don't have any issue. Okay, so thank you very much. This is all about the new updates I have for you on the church management system, the Church CRM. Okay, so the the website is cornerstone.com. Come on, get there, sign up, and get your church to digital. When you don't understand anything, when you have any difficulty in making any changes and having any difficulties, just hit me up. You can just send me a message right in your portal, or you can send me an email. I'll respond to you. If you want any features to be added or implemented, just send me a message and I'll do that for you. Okay, I'm ready to give it out to serve as a small way of also supporting the kingdom. Okay, so just hit me up. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys some other day. Any updates I do, I'll make sure I bring it your way. Okay, I'll keep working on it harder, 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 keep making it until we have a perfect CRM system. Okay, thank you very much. Bye for now. See you next time. Don't forget, please, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for others to see and then have access. Okay, make sure. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.